May we call on Teacher
Annalie
and Teacher Grace, Miss Kira. Again, they will be awarding the first runners-up, but I will be announcing the Mr. and Miss Intramurals 2025. And to award our Mr. and Miss Intramurals 2025, may we have our Mutya ng Davao, Miss Rebecca Salis, together with Teacher Geneva Zafra. Okay, may we call on them up on stage?
Shoni.
Who will be our Mr. and Miss Intramurals 2025 from the Junior High School Department? Is it from Green Domain? Or from Yellow Nation? Or from Red Empire? Or from our Blue Dynasty? Our Mr. Intramurals 2025 is our Mr. Intramurals 2025 is May we remind everyone na magpulot ng basura later pag mag-uwi ng house so bawat tayo pala dito. Okay, let's help our GSO para di na sila mag-limpyo tayo. Okay? So magpulot tayo ng basura. Our Mr. Intramurals 2025 from the Junior High School Department is from